Hello children, welcome back to my channel and let's start our today's drawing. First we will draw one curved line in this way, then one more curved line, then from here I will draw one V shape, some zigzag lines for grass and draw some curved lines in this way to create tree. From here I will draw one long sweeping line and I will draw a house here like this, and then I will join these two lines, and from here I will line and make it triangle, then two more standing lines, door, windows, two slanting line for road. Okay, behind I will draw some bushes like this, and I will add some birds in the sky and some little bit of grass, and I will add some fence both sides. I will draw some grass. Now let's color. So here our drawing is ready. Children, if you want more videos like this, then like, share and subscribe my channel. And also you can suggest me what to draw for the next video in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.